is ensuring backend services and alias. So let's move on straight to the system. Here it is. Now let's for checking the backend with the connection of this ICF node for this service, we have to select first first this row, the service catalog, and then click on the SAP gateway client. After clicking the SAP Gateway client, it will redirect to the transaction, which is Gateway client expression. Here we can check our services by using the HTTP methods like get, post, put, patch, merge, and delete and head. These all facilitate the HTTP methods, request and responses. So this is a special transaction of SAP which provide a lot of space, a lot of room for the developers to test the service here. So when I execute for checking the service, we have to click on the execute button. After click on the executing button, the system shows the responses. So for the testing of the app connection of the OData service with the database, we have to click on the call browser, and then it will redirect to the browser where the information about our entity and service is shown. It shows that our service is activate. Now moving on to the next step. After the activation of services, we have to add the rights this app to the role of the particular user, so then he can access it very well. For this we have to go to the transaction pfcg, and then as I know the role name of my user, so then I add the requirement, the authorization. So then I update the authorization. The name of my role is y underscore bap underscore cust. So I select this one and then press enter, and I have to click on the view button. So then it shows all the authorization which is under this role. So for adding the catalog, the technical catalog and the business catalog, I have to go to the menu option, and then first of all let's copy the technical catalog and the business catalog from the Fiori Apps Library. Here it is. Now it's redirect. We have come to the particular our standard app, that is sales order fulfillment issues. Now here I have to click on the particular app detail, and let's I again select the order fulfillment, so then it's filter the particular apps of order fulfillment. Here it is. Now as you know, as you seen that the checkbox is on the sale order fulfillment issue, and on the right hand side it's showing its detail very clearly. So then we have to move beneath to the implementation information section, and then let's explore the detail in the configuration section of this. Here it is. Now let's we have to scroll more. Here the OData service is present as the SOFI, which we have recently activated and tested. After that, now we have to copy the name of the technical catalog and the business catalog. First of all, let's copy the name of technical catalog, which is SAP underscore TC CEC underscore SD underscore common. I copied it and then move to the PFCG transaction. Now make it the editable, so then I can add this catalog to this role. Now go to the menu section, and then list down to the transaction, and then select the Launchpad catalog under the SAP Fiori Launchpad option. Here I will paste the copied technical catalog name and then press enter. Yes, I have to select the yes. It's showing the information about this catalog. Let's ignore it and move backward. So then uh, we activate it and we use this business, this technical catalog very easily. Here it is. Now as you can see, the CEC customer engagement is added on this role. Now we have to again add the remaining two business catalog further. Now again copy the first one, business catalog, sales order monitoring, and then again go to the PFCG transitions menu option, and then launchpad catalog option, and then go to the launchpad catalog. No, I wrongly entered here. I have to go to the option that is the technical, that is a launchpad catalog. So SAP is informing me as is the SAP GUI, and then add this business catalog under the option of launchpad, Fiori launchpad catalog. Here it is. So let's again paste the name of catalog and then press enter. Here it is. Now it's showing the log. That's first time it's not activated, and now the second time it's also have to include the another business catalog, that is SAP sales order monitoring and tracking. Now again go to the launchpad catalog. I I copied again the next one. I wrongly copied. That's why I again have to move to the Fury Apps library, and then again copied the new one the new one business catalog. So then it will also add it to this role. This one we also have added but it's not showing on the roll. That is why I have to again add it. You can also display catalog before added. You can also explore any catalog by clicking on the display catalog. Here it is. Now our new catalog is added in this role, and we can also explore it by expanding the arrow. Here it is. It has the one, two, three, four options with this catalog. Now I have to again copy another the second one business catalog, and then we I have to paste under the at the same menu option of role transaction. Let's paste it out and press enter. It's working. Here it is. Now, the same way, this new catalog has also been added here, and now all the requirement of addition of catalogs has been fulfilled. So I just have to save this role. So then our desired standard Fury app will be available on this user. Please note that all the users which have this role via webcast will have the access of this SAP Fury app, a standard Fury app. order fulfillment issues. So moving on, let's we have done all the all the five steps, and now we have also done the step number 6. We have added we have assigned roles to this we have assigned we have assigned the catalogs to this role. Now we have to test our app. Either either we have accessed of this standard Fiori app onto into the my Fiori Launchpad. Here it is. Now we have landed into our SAP Fiori App Launchpad, and here, as you know, the menus are available based on the groups and based on the catalog. So we have to find that our app is available into my Fiori Launchpad. So we have to go to the search option, and then here we have to write the order fulfillment. Here it is, order fulfillment. After entering order fulfillment keyword, we have we come to know that we have the four apps available here. So we have the focus. We have our app which we have configured is the sale order fulfillment analyze issue. So this is available into our search menu. By searching it, let's click on this application link, so then we will redirect it to the app directly, and we don't have to go straight to the group or straight to any menu. Here it is. Now our app has been launched. As you know, all the issues are showing in the form of graph. It is an analytical app. That is why it shows the graph issues as compared to the issues total. So this is the comparison between the issues in the sale order. So uh, um, we have let's get back to our presentation. Here it is. Now we have completed our step number 7, that is testing the app and service. Last but not least is a troubleshooting. So troubleshooting is a very important part for any app configuration. So if we have any issue regarding any app, we should know how to troubleshoot this app. So for the troubleshooting of app, we have two main transaction code. One is the IWFND main service, and in this service we have, if we come to know that no system alias found for the service, we have to check this service into the mains underscore service T code, and then we have to ensuring that the system alias is properly added or not. Let's go straight to the system and find where is the system alias. The other important T code for the troubleshooting is the SM59. So if we are getting the connection timeout or connection related error, we have to find the transaction SM59. Let's go straight to the system and find what is the transaction code SM59. Let's select N SM59. Here it is. Now you can find here what how many connections are present here, and how the HTTP connection of a web system is present here. So we can configure according to our requirement the connections which we have to connect outside the SAP system or any other same SAP system outside the landscape. So this is the main this is the important transaction code which we should know all the in and out, all the pros and cons of this T code RFC connection, because it's help to finding the to finding and troubleshooting the issues regarding the RFC connection. So hope you understand a lot of things of how to activate the SAP standard Fiori app, and hope you like this video. If you like this, do click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel so then you can find more informative videos. Till then, let's meet into another new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.